holidays are coming, and that means we need to get our houses clean, but I'm going to show you some Dollar Tree hacks that will help you keep it clean. And let's do a little bit of shopping together just for fun.
Thanks to today's sponsor, Louisa. Pick up a pack of Jingle Bells and some shower curtain hooks. I will link to the ones that I used in the description box below. Velvet ribbon is all the rage in home decor this year, so we're going to thread some of that through each one of these Jingle Bells. Next, we'll tie a knot at the end, and then we're ready to hang them. You can use any shower curtain rings you have, but these are extremely easy to work with for this particular project. Once I've added my hooks to that shower curtain bar, I'm going to hang all my Jingle Bells on the front. Just behind the Jingle Bells, I will hang up my shower curtain and finally put the liner behind it to add fullness. This is an adorable idea that doesn't cost much and is super easy to store.
Let's do a little shopping together. I'm going to bring you a deep discount on Louisa jewelry. Now, my daughter and daughter-in-law love their delicate pieces. I like their bold pieces like this locket that I'm going to show you. But the main reason I love Louisa jewelry is because they stand behind their jewelry with a 2-year guarantee. The prices are affordable, it's completely on trend, and they are environmentally responsible.
Louisa is a jewelry brand based in New York City and built to deliver simple, beautiful, and high-quality jewelry at a fair price. I've worn Louisa for a year now, and I can honestly say that there are no signs of tarnishing or wear or tear. No matter what age the person you're shopping for, you are sure to find something in Louisa's collection that they will absolutely love. My husband and I had our first 2 grandchildren this year, so I chose this locket as a gift for myself. I'm going to make sure to put my 2 grandbabies' pictures inside.
The Louisa sale is live right now, and you can get up to 35% off these beautiful pieces, but you do need to go quickly and get all your shopping done because they will sell out at these prices. So click the link below in my description box and check out Louisa.
The kitchen seems to be the place everyone gravitates during the holidays, and I'm going to teach you a couple Dollar Tree tricks that are going to make it easier to keep clean. Instead of wiping counters around all your appliances or moving heavy objects from one side to the other, pick up one of these sink mats from Dollar Tree and set your heavier appliances on top. It has feet underneath that will make it easier to move, and it also keeps it uplifted from your countertop so there won't be any stains and you won't have to worry about moving those pieces to clean. Use this easy hack to keep your coffee tasting its very best. Fill an empty coffee pot with 2/3 water and 1/3 regular vinegar. Run the vinegar and water mixture the first time, and the second and third times run plain water. This whole process takes just a few minutes, and you can do it in between other tasks. I hate it when I turn on the oven and a smoky smell comes up, so we're going to try this Dollar Tree scrub-free oven cleaner. Now, I'm going to keep it real with you all and let you know that this is really strong fumes. In fact, immediately when I sprayed it, it was hard for me to breathe. So I'm probably not going to be using this Dollar Tree one again. However, it did do a nice job cleaning the oven. Dollar Tree sells individual size aluminum foil pieces for cooking, and I recommend that you place several on the bottom of your oven so that if you do have drips, that you can remove those pieces one by one and you won't have to clean the whole oven over again. If you're inviting people over to your home or having a guest, the spare bathroom or powder room can make a huge difference in the way you feel about your home. I've used Dollar Tree plastic shower curtain rings for a lot of craft projects, but I really don't like them for hanging a shower curtain. As you can see, they're brittle and they crack really easily, so just go ahead and get some sturdy shower curtain rings. Did you know that you could throw your shower curtain liner in the wash with your shower curtain? And I always wash mine on hot and it's come out just fine. I like to use a white shower curtain for this reason because I can get it really, really clean. It's tempting to add lots of Christmas and holiday decor to our bathrooms, but if you have guests, what they really want is counter space, so let's keep the decor simple and classic. I chose this chrome Christmas tree from Walmart. It was less than $2 because it matched the chrome in my bathroom. Placed that hanger with some of the velvet bow that we used before, and now it's a beautiful little accent piece that makes this whole bathroom look just a little bit more high-end. Speaking of bathrooms, did you know Dollar Tree carries a poopery dupe for so much less and it smells great? Drop a couple denture tablets in your toilet bowl while you're scrubbing the outside. When you come back to clean that toilet bowl, it will be a breeze. Pick up one of these long-handled fuzzy dusters from Dollar Tree and keep it by your toilet bowl. Run it around the back and base of that toilet where the grime and dust collect, and you won't have to worry about getting down on the floor to scrub. These nail scrubbers at Dollar Tree are perfect for scrubbing tile, grout, and also those tiny nooks and crannies around your shower head. Keep listening to the end for a special holiday message. Using a squeegee from Dollar Tree to clean that shower stall makes it go so much faster, but the key to keeping a bathroom clean is to keep that shower stall as dry as possible. So this is my very favorite hook from Walmart, and I will link it in the description box below. All you need to do is make a loop on the end of that squeegee and hang it in your shower stall. Instead of scrubbing and scrubbing, just use that squeegee every time you shower. One of my least favorite jobs is scrubbing the bathtub, so I'm always looking for things that do not leave any residue on my tub. Did you know that Walmart sells bath bombs for just $1? Well, I picked up a few of these and I thought we could give them a little test. I have not had good luck with Dollar Tree bath bombs, so I didn't have high hopes for this Walmart one that was gray color and left the bath water almost black. Would you believe that it did not leave any residue to scrub out? So I was really happy with this find. Use these tips to make your guests feel especially welcome. This container from Walmart is airtight and it's the perfect size to hold one of the Teal's bath salt containers. I added some of those bath bombs to the top to make a cute little display for my guests to use. If you've gotten a good idea so far, don't forget to let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. Elvive shampoo is one of my favorites for growing hair that's longer and stronger. So I am adding a few of these fun touches to the guest bath. I want to spend my time with my guests laughing and having a good time, not cleaning. So I hope these tips helped you to do the same. Thanks to Louisa for sponsoring today's episode, and don't forget to click on the link in my description box for up to 35% off. My friends, let me take this opportunity to tell you what a gift you have been to me this year. I want you to spend some time making your favorite cup of hot cocoa, sitting in your cozy chair with your fur baby, and taking in all the sights and sounds of the season. I like to start the holiday by reading Luke chapter 2 in the Bible and remembering the very first Christmas. My wish for you is that you have a moment or two to take in the joy of the home that you have instead of getting caught up in wishing for something different. Do not forget, today's not the end of your story, so do not quit.